Hi, today I'm going to be changing my coolant on my 2015 Toyota Corolla. This is just some basic things or tools that you need. Actually, I'm going to be using Toyota 5050 Super Long Life Anti-Freeze Coolant. Check your manual and check with your dealer what kind of coolant your car will need, because it's very important. So I actually used the 5050 pre-diluted, just convenient. I might need 2 gallons. I have the spill-proof funnel kit. You might need it, you might not need it. I think it will help with pouring the new coolant in there and keep the air bubble out somewhat. You're gonna need some sort of gloves, protective eyeglasses, and definitely you need a good size drain pan. So let's start it. So this is my engine bay, and it took me a little bit to locate my what do you call it, petcock, which is going to be locating behind here. This on the right here. Hopefully you can see it gonna be underneath the hose here. You can see a little white thing over there, if you can see it right there. That's the petcock. So you're gonna actually loosen it and let the coolant, the old coolant, drain down, and make sure you have some sort of paper or rag underneath in case of spill. Also extremely important, you want to make sure your engine is cool and you have no pressure on your cooling system. Okay, and then you're gonna gently, slowly turn this, just slowly, in case of any pressurized gas coming out, just a little bit, like so. So I loosen the petcock and let the coolant flowing down. I also remove the radiator. I remove radiator cap right here. It's almost done. It's not that much coolant coming out from what I can see. You can see the petcock that I loosened over there in the center of the video, the white piece. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off right there, the valve here. Just finger tight, and then gonna start. Okay, right there. Here is the old coolant. It doesn't look bad at all after close to 100,000 miles. I have about, yeah, almost 100,000 miles on my Toyota Corolla, so it's not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and refill with the new coolant. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this a little bit with just tap water. And make sure you actually do not tighten the petcock yet. So I have filled up with 1 gallon of this coolant, and I'm using this spill-free funnel here. Just want to make sure that I don't see any more. Actually, there's no bubble, it's just the engine just shaking. So I turn the engine to high, to the heat, and then turn the fan to the maximum. Just gonna wait it for a few more minutes. As you can see, I am pulling on the funnel and there's actually no bubble, almost no bubble. So I know that, well, I just let go a little bit, there's a few bubble there. If I actually press on it, there's no bubble. So I think I'm pretty much done. And the fan hand kicks in, if you can see. So everything seems to be working as it's supposed to be. I just want to make sure there's no bubble or air in my system that can cause my car to overheat. So I guess that's pretty much it. Make sure we recycle this to the recycling center, because it is very poisonous to the environment, to the animals. I'm pretty much done. I fill my reservoir a little bit up to here. So that's it, my video. Again, I haven't done this for a while, but hopefully it's helpful. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.